Bud Light presents Real Men of Genius.
Real men of genius.
Today we salute you.
You don't want to get water in your engine. One way that water gets in your engine is through your exhaust. So we want to seal the exhaust with a Bavarian potato. What I do is I put it in the exhaust, I use a mallet, just like that, it'll be sealed. We have one more exhaust side to do. Good. Now that we've protected our engine from flooding, we don't want the car to float away during flood, so we got to let the air out of the tires. Now my car is safe.